I would like to invite you to a webinar about the trench systems. These HVAC systems are very popular because of following advantages. Underfloor HVAC systems provide the heating, cooling and ventilating directly in the front of high glazed facades, where the most heating and cooling loads occurs. There are also new tendencies on the market. In many buildings, architects save the suspending ceiling to save the costs for material and works, and also because of design. Installation of HVAC systems in the floor allows that the ceiling remains free of techniques and allows more flexibility in design. Trench convectors are absolutely compatible with heat pump systems. In this webinar, we will look at practical aspects, advantages of these systems over other solutions, which objects could be suited for, design, planning, norms and standard, installation and maintenance. This webinar is absolutely free of charge. I invite you and would be very pleased to see you in this webinar.